order the following integers from the least to the greatest. So we've got -3, 4, 2, -2, and -5. Now this kind of problem does involve a bit of an understanding of number lines. So if I draw a number line here, and I'll go, let's say, from like this, just to help us, and we'll start with 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here's how this works. We've got -3. Okay, so -3 is here. We've got 4, which is here. We've got 2, which is here. We've got -2, which is here. And we've got -5, which is down here. And if you use a number line in this way, you can immediately organize the numbers from least to greatest. So we now know that 5 is the least, it's the smallest of those. We've got -3. We've got -2. We've got 2. And we've got 4. And that is the answer.